Okay, today first I'll show you how to download Android Studio, and secondly I'll show you how to update the existing Android Studio from Android Studio. These are the two things which I'm going to show in this video. Now downloading Android Studio and installing it, I am doing it in Mac because I have a Mac. The same thing you can do in Windows also, then Linux versions also, Linux flavors like Ubuntu and others, Kali Linux and others. So, but I am showing you on Mac. The Windows procedure is also same. In Windows, it installs the file. You can download as a Windows installable file. In Mac, it downloads as a DMG file, and you can install it in your Mac. So first, you go to You can go to Google, then download Android Studio. So when you go there, you will get link developer.android.com. Click there. So you will go to and click this. This will give you the latest Android Studio version for your laptop, whichever you are using, Mac or Windows. And you can see here, you will see the file downloaded. I already downloaded. I'll show you the procedure also. So it downloads. Once you download, you install it.
So you can see here that I have downloaded the file. It is a 1 GB file. So it's a huge file. It will take some time and your network bandwidth, and it will download. I have downloaded DMG file. In Windows, it will download a executable file. So I click the DMG file, open it, and so you can see it's verifying, it's checking the hash, and it is giving you the Android Studio application. Just double click the icon and your application is ready to use. So huge file. So this is how you download the Android Studio.
Welcome back, guys. Today I will show you how to update Android Studio. So I'll go to Android Studio, open any app. This is the app I opened, which I was designing recently. So this is the Android Studio software, that is IDE, which is used to develop Android apps. So Android gives updates regularly. So whenever it gives updates, your Android Studio will check online automatically usually. But at times you need to check manually. So when the system is on, go to the Android Studio option, and first let us check what is the Android Studio version for us. Our Android Studio version is Android Studio Chipmunk patch 2. It is released on July 10, 2022. It's a long time, so definitely a new version must have released, so we have to check it. So these are details of my existing system, Android Studio system. Okay, so I'll close this. I'll go to Android Studio and check for updates. When you click this, it will check for the updates. So you can see there is one message is coming down here, which says that Android Studio is update is available. So I click update. When I click update, I get a list what is to be updated, what is the things which are to be updated. So I have a list here. So if you want to go in detail, you can go for release notes, and you can see when the update is come, what is the size of the update, and you can configure your updates. Suppose you want to every time check for the updates, you can switch on these buttons. Or if you have ignored some previous update, then you can even update that also, specifying here. So these are the things which are there in update option. So there is a toolbox app which is used to update automatically your system. So now let me cancel this. I don't want to change any changes here, system settings here. So I'll just cancel. So this is my update which I'm going to do. It is 706 MB. I can ignore this update or remind Android Studio to show me later, or I can update and restart. So I want to update. So I click update. So there are two plugins, Dart and Flutter, which are also in my system. So I can update them also for the latest release. So you can see it is showing here downloading patch files. So preparing IDE update and 706 MB will be downloaded. And once downloaded, Android Studio will restart and apply the new settings. This is how it is done. So let me stop here. My system is Mac. So because of that, I have Mac options here, and you can see here my Android Studio is updated IDE. So if I click restart, it will restart the studio for me with the latest update. It is very simple, very easy to
Update Android Studio. Please give your comments about this video. Also, tell me what more videos you need, more type of videos on which subjects you need. Please comment in the video section. Thank you.